Hey everybody, what's up? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. Say about the improvement of your lawn.
It's incredible how much our yard looks better after AJ came out and applied his personal touch. We had a horrible chinch bug problem and we're ready to go the wrong route, and just happened to see a post on Facebook from AJ and called him up. He came out here within a couple of days and took care of me, and within a month and a half we have a beautiful lawn again.
We spent $1 bazillion on the one of the big name chemical treaters for years and absolutely nothing. AJ showed us the hippie way, and within months we saw a huge difference. I cannot even express the difference in the yard. The green, the full, just the healthy nature of our yard based on what it was prior, and now it's safe.
Started in January, right? In January, we started to see results.
Absolutely,
right?
I was astounded. I was truly astounded. I took it with a grain of salt right out of the get-go. You know, well, we'll give it a shot. But it was pretty unbelievable.
Straight from another customer of Hippie Fertilizing who started in the wintertime. And within just a couple months, we got more results than the other guys were getting in about 2 years.
Amen.
Right?
Yep.
Accurate?
Accurate.
So, there you have it, guys. Another reason to choose Hippie Fertilizing.
Watching AJ's videos with Hippie Fertilizer, and after watching our grass turning brown and brown and brown, my wife and I decided to call AJ to come out and take a look at our yard, knowing that my sprinkler system was completely out of order. And AJ comes out and fertilizes or feeds our yard, and the yard starts turning greener than the golf course does, and that was amazing.
Thank you to Hippie Fertilizing and AJ for the fantastic job you've done. Look, I mean, this is 10 times better than it was before, and it's just getting better every day. So thank you so much, Hippie Fertilizing team. Appreciate y'all.
Right, it's not perfect, but wouldn't you say the level of health has gone up?
Absolutely, no question. I would use sort of your standard from the store fertilizers in the past, and it was average at best, and then had these issues develop that could not be controlled in any other way.
Would you recommend me, Tom?
Absolutely, and I have.
And yes, he has.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, everybody. And remember, nobody knows grass like a hippie. Peace. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Mr. Taylor?
I recommend it. They've been treating my yard good.
Well, thank you, Mr. Taylor. Thank you. Choose Hippie Fertilizing?
Yes, and the bees and the butterflies are back. We had them before, but never like this.
And we just saw a hummingbird today, too.
Yeah, we did.
It was beautiful.
Our yard is gorgeous, and it's August. This is unusual.
Right, so in the peak of summer, it's probably looked better than it has before.
Yes.
Right? So there you have it from Miss Eileen over in Clear Lake. What has been your experience with Hippie Fertilizing?
So before I started using Hippie Fertilizing, I just thought you just mowed your grass and did your thing. But after not getting the results I wanted and using a popular radio garden show's fertilization schedule, I just wasn't achieving the results in my grass, and so I gave AJ with Hippie Fertilizing a call, and within 2 months I got the results I wanted, and it's been completely stress-free, and AJ's fantastic, and his expertise is amazing.
Thank you for all my followers. So, y'all want to be able to say what this guy says? Call this guy.
This man right here.
Peace.